Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our University of Phoenix account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your University of Phoenix, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for University Phoenix login. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says login. After tapping on login, you will come up to University of Phoenix login page, and over here you can enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, you can tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your username or password, what you can do is just simply reset or recover your username and password by tapping on forgot username or password and then create a new one. So after creating a new username or password, come back to this login page and then enter the new password or username that you have created and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your University of Phoenix account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into University of Phoenix. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.